I saw the table and I just was like, oh my God, that's just incredible. I'm Mary Nolan, live in Arkansas, and I was so impressed with it because it looked just like a beautiful tree. I walked by it, I looked at it very closely, and then I went on over and looked at the chairs, and I was very impressed with that. But I had to come back and re-inspect the table because I wasn't happy with our table that we had in our house originally. And so I got to looking at it and I took several pictures, and this gentleman walked up behind me and I said, you know, my idea of the table that I would really like to see is with the roots spread on the floor to hold the table up. And he said, we could do that. And I said, really? Can you send me a drawing? And he said, of course we can. And so I left and immediately got a drawing back from Corky, and I was so impressed with it that I said, build it.